everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today, I'm gonna teach you the interesting chapter, Computer Fundamentals. This video will be helpful for learning as well as for teaching. So don't forget to share this video with your brothers, sisters, and teachers. Come on, let's get into the topic. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine that works on electricity. Computer takes raw data as input from the user, then processes it and produces the result as output, and finally stores the output for future use. What are the four main functions of a computer? The four main functions of a computer are input, processing, output, and storage. I can give you a real-time example for this. The food that we eat is input. The digestion of the food is processing. The energy and strength are the output that are stored for future use. So simple, isn't it? What is a computer system? A computer system is a combination of hardware, software, and the user. Formula. Computer system is equal to hardware plus software plus user. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical and electronic parts of a computer. That is, you can see and touch hardware. What are the types of hardware? There are 4 types of hardware. That includes input devices, output devices, processing devices, and storage devices. What are input devices? Input devices refer to the devices which help to enter data into the computer system. For example, your hands and mouth act as the input devices for your body. The devices like keyboard, mouse, touchscreen, barcode reader, scanner, MICR, OMR, etc. act as the input devices of a computer system. What are output devices? Output devices refer to the devices which help to display the processed information. For example, your large intestine acts as the output device for your body. The devices like monitor, printer, plotter, projector, and speaker act as the output devices of a computer system. What are processing devices? Some devices are used for processing the data, like the digestive system of your body. Those devices are called processing devices. Processing devices convert raw data into information. The devices like CPU along with processor act as the processing device of a computer system. What are storage devices? Few devices save all the information in their memory, like the brain of the human body. Those devices are called storage devices. The devices like RAM, ROM, hard disk, pen drive, memory card act as the storage devices of a computer system. What is software? Software is a set of instructions called programs used in computer to perform specific tasks. Sometimes softwares are used to control the actions of a hardware. Software is like your life, which can't be seen but makes your body work and keeps you alive. What are the types of software? There are two main types of softwares. That includes system software and application software. What is system software? System software is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer's hardware and application programs. System software is the interface, that is, the mediator between the hardware and user applications. System softwares include operating systems or the OS, utility software, and language processors. Examples of system softwares include Windows, Mac, Linux, antivirus software, compiler, and so on. What is application software? Application software or app is a program or group of programs designed for end users. Application softwares include package software, general purpose software, and customized software. Examples of application softwares include MS Office, Adobe Photoshop, supermarket billing software, ticket reservation software, and much more. Hope you are learning well with the help of Mask English tutorials. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and ShareChat. Thank you.